Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you. It's football season. Let's do a little tailgate food. This is one a lot of you have never tried. It is so easy to do. You can do everything before you leave to go to the game. We're gonna do Carolina meatballs. Oh, these things are so good and they're so easy to do. So, hang tight.
Welcome to Cuff and Stuff.
Okay, what I've got here, I've just got a bag of Walmart home style meatballs. They're already fixed up for you. We're just gonna dump them in the bowl. Now, with this recipe, you do as many as you want. You wanna take 4 bags with you, go ahead. Go ahead. All right, I'm gonna get a glove on here. All right. It's hot and sweaty out here. It makes it hard to get these gloves on sometimes. There we go. All right. All I'm gonna do for seasoning is, guess what? Gator shake. Cuff and Stuff approved, of course. All right, I'm gonna take Gator shake and I'm gonna cover these. And believe it or not, even frozen like this, you can get the Gator shake to stick. Just make sure you get enough in there, stir them up good, and there we go. All right, look at that. See, they got a nice coating. All right, get out of the way here. Next, I have taken a pan and put a rack on it like this. I'm gonna take these, I wanna put them on the rack, all right? And again, it doesn't matter if they're touching, just go ahead and do what you gotta do. Put as many on this rack as you want. Now, I don't have a big herd coming over today, so I'm only doing 1 bag. We're gonna enjoy these. And the nice thing about these is you eat what you want. You put them in the refrigerator, you can put them in the oven and heat them, reheat them. All right, there we go. Look at that. All right, come on with me. We're going over to the smoker. All right. You see I've got the top rack in here today, and that's where I'm gonna smoke these, right here on the top rack. And let's see here. I want to, put this glove on here. All right, I'm gonna put this probe right here beside it. Let's hook the probes up on the ink bird here. There we go. All right. We're above 300. I'm gonna let this thing go. If it'll go to 375, I'll let it cook 375. All right, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna let this thing go above 300 at least for half an hour, and then we're gonna come back and check it. That's when I'll bring you. All right, we've been a half an hour. We're hovering around the 350 mark, which is perfect for me. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, see, we're starting to get some color in these meatballs. All right, let's let them go another 15 minutes or so. I don't have to turn them. That's why I put them on this wire rack. It lets that smoke get around them. It browns both sides. You don't have it sticking to the pan or whatever. So let's close it up. Let's let it go another 15 minutes or so. That's when I'll bring you back. All right, we've let it go another 15 minutes. That's pretty much 45 minutes total. We're still running at 350. So it climbed up to 350 pretty quick and has stayed there. Ah yeah. Now see the color I was talking about? Oh yeah, those are done. That's exactly the way I wanted them. All right, well, come on over to the table. I'm gonna show you how to finish these. Okay, we've taken them off and they're just right. The consistency of these meatballs, they're not too soft, they're not dried out. Perfect for what we want to do. So I'm taking all of these, and they're still hot, putting them on the bowl, in the bowl. All right, that's why aluminum foil. All right, this is a Carolina Gold. This is one we mix up. If you're from South Carolina, anywhere around the middle of the state, you're gonna get exposed to a vinegar mustard-based sauce. Now they tell me this goes all the way back to a German influence, way back, all right? That's where we got it from. You don't find it much outside South Carolina. Now, Ranchers, I think that's French's brand, has one. You might can find it in a grocery store. This is what we use. And I'm just gonna take my little squirt bottle here, and I'm gonna squirt this over these, and we're just gonna stir them up. Yeah, I would take the bowl and flip it, but I'm not gonna let you watch me flip these meatballs all over me while we do it. So I'm just gonna make sure that all of this has a nice coating. I'm not drowning them in the barbecue sauce, but I want to make sure that every little meatball gets some. And there we go. Now, all right. That is a Carolina meatball. You take a big bowl of these, tailgating, you're gonna be the hero. But I promise you, if you advertise them, you better take enough of the whole parking lot, because everybody's gonna be after these. So, only one thing left to do. Woo! Oh, that's so good. Yep, you'll be a tailgate hero with these. Listen, thanks for sticking around, watching this little recipe. It's so good, you need to try it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you over here. Hey, hit that thumbs up, give me a like, share it. None of that'll cost you a dime, and I'll really appreciate it. So until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.